If this video gets 200,000 likes, I'll let you drive my truck.
Do it!
If this video gets 200,000 likes, hey babe.
Huh?
The TikTok video got 200,000 likes. There you go. So I posted on TikTok that if it got 200,000 likes, that I would let my girlfriend drive. Apparently everybody wanted her to drive because it's got over 1.4 million views and 270,000 I think likes. And so I'm actually gonna let her drive. I let her drive my white truck last year. Oh my gosh. Make the black smoke come out.
No.
And she has never driven the Denali, so here we go. I'm gonna put the dash cam on just in case something happens and we get it on film. I'm nervous. We're gonna go all the way to, we're gonna drive about 30 miles. That's about 30 miles, I think. No, 15 miles.
Yeah.
We're gonna drive about 15 miles, fuel up, she's gonna take it on the interstate, blah, blah, blah. Pray for me. All right,
It's gonna be fine.
It better be fine.
It's gonna be great.
You didn't even let the glow plugs warm up when you cranked it up. And you were like so confident.
Carmelson, I know, I'm so sorry.
Did you adjust?
Yeah.
Mirrors?
Yep, one touch the
Seat?
mirrors. I touched the seat though.
Do you want to touch the mirrors? Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. You can see everything?
Yeah. Okay. I don't...
Yeah. She drives a stick shift, by the way, and she's... It's a big truck, isn't it?
It is.
You didn't realize how big it was, huh?
Sorry for her grass. Can I make it?
Yes, you can. You got plenty of space.
I can't see over the hood.
Okay, so how do you feel?
Powerful.
Powerful.
This is so much better than my small car.
This was a mistake.
It was not. This is the greatest idea you've come up with.
Oh, is that so?
I think so. Oh god, there's another car. Oh shit.
Don't get nervous. You got like 2 feet on this side too.
Okay. I don't want to ruin your truck and hit things and ruin your tires. Oh, your brakes are so different.
Yes, they're not as sensitive as yours.
My brakes aren't that sensitive.
So it takes a while for this big truck to stop.
Okay, well, you know what?
I'm just letting you know.
At least we haven't left the
The
development yet.
neighborhood.
Development.
Neighborhood.
Development.
It's called neighborhood. There's nothing being developed in my neighborhood. It's a neighborhood. Development is if they were still developing things.
It's a development.
Northern people.
Whatever.
Alright.
Which way do you want to go? Left or right?
Let's take a right. Let's just avoid all the traffic we can. Get on it. So one thing I didn't tell you guys is that I'm actually planning on buying a project truck. Well, you guys knew that I'm buying a project truck, and I actually found one, and I was supposed to buy it last week, but the dealer couldn't come down. The dealer sounds so sketchy. The guy that was selling it to me couldn't come down, so we rescheduled. I should be getting it next week, and ultimately with that goal, I'm gonna let her drive the Duramax around. The other Duramax, not this one, but the project Duramax. When I'm not working on it, I'm gonna let her drive it, because her Mini Cooper is so small, and it's stick shift, and it's so slow that she almost gets hit almost every day.
Okay, it's not slow. It's just nobody sees me, and when we're at intersections, people think it's a great time to go and then T-bone me.
Right.
So
I'm gonna let her drive the Duramax. You wanna floor it just a little bit?
one.
You like it?
Yeah.
A lot of black smoke. Oh my god! Oh my god, man.
Yeah.
That was a lot of black smoke. Sorry guys, it's not me. It's my new girlfriend.
Your new girlfriend.
New girlfriend.
Oh, okay. I'll take it.
It's my new girlfriend.
Because I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yeah.
You were so excited about driving it.
I am. But it's scary.
Should we do the horn at him?
No.
Come on.
Okay.
When we drive by, you're gonna do the train horn, okay?
Okay.
Let me know when, okay? Let me know when. Good job, babe. So how does it feel?
Wobbly.
Wobbly?
It's like I can go like this with my steering wheel just about, and it will straight.
But that one moves a lot, right?
Yes.
That's because, you remember right before we went to Tennessee? I did all that work on the front?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why it's so like firm. That's why I kind of didn't like it at first, because it was so firm. Huge shout out to Kryptonite. We did the PISC kit, idler and pitman arm support kit, as well as new tie rods and the hubs, the wheel bearings. And actually the tie rods, I went with the D-Max store tie rods because they were only 200 bucks compared to Kryptonite ones being $360. Stop. I'm getting scared.
Why? I was close. I wasn't gonna make the yellow light.
I know. But that car was braking in front of us, so
I can see that.
yeah, I'm just making sure you get used to the brakes.
We're good. It's fine.
You said you're gonna be more scared about going to downtown?
Yeah.
You're not gonna drive it to
Oh,
downtown.
thank God. Where am I driving it to?
Exit 5.
Okay.
Because I gotta fuel up there. I don't like to let it go below quarter of a tank.
And
Right now, it's below quarter of a tank.
We'll be fine.
You don't remember driving my white truck, do you?
I did. It was like for a brief second in the neighborhood.
That's true. Babe, I want you to gas it a little bit.
Now?
Yeah.
No, because there's a stop sign.
Okay.
Just kidding. Ready?
Okay, do it. Did you like that? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go. Pay attention.
I am.
Put the phone down.
I am. Don't be nervous.
Alright, we're gonna be on the interstate.
Yes.
There you go. Good merch. Good merch. Do you like how the mirrors are bigger so you can see everything?
It's weird.
Can you see everything with the mirrors?
Yeah. I can see almost right around the tailgate.
So you can see the mirror, you can see the other lane, and then like the wheels and tires and stuff like that. Do you like that, or is that weird?
I like it, but it's weird because obviously my Mini Cooper has like quarter size mirrors.
That's true. Your Mini Cooper mirrors are like a spoon.
Yeah, it is. But I have more windows I can see out of them. Like obviously, I don't know.
Alright, we're on an interstate. There's a lot of traffic, which makes me kind of nervous. There you go. Just a little nervous. Just a little. But it's just straight shot to exit 5. And when we get off, it will just go into, which gas? I don't know, Shell. Doesn't matter.
Something.
You're doing good, babe.
Thank you.
You're doing good. Are you nervous? Not
so
anymore?
much. I feel the need to sit like this though.
Yeah. Are you used to driving this truck now already? Are you comfortable?
I'm more comfortable than when we started,
Which was 10 minutes ago.
so that's a plus.
Yeah.
But not like hella comfortable where I can take off one hand and off the steering wheel.
Yeah. Good. Firmly got 2 hands on the steering wheel. That's
Wait,
good.
we'll go 10 and 2.
10 and 2?
Is that, yeah, 10 and 2.
Yep. Maybe I'll let you drive it more often.
Really?
Yeah.
Am I doing that good?
But if I get that project truck, you can drive that project truck. Just this, I wouldn't want you to take it to school because I get nervous driving down there.
Yeah,
The roads are so narrow. My wheels are so wide, I couldn't fit in between the lanes.
Yeah, I remember. I get nervous driving my small car because no one can drive on campus.
Yeah.
Shout out to AU students.
Yep, Augusta University, you guys rock. By rock, I mean y'all suck. There's absolutely no parking at all. School's getting bigger, parking lots are getting smaller.
And nobody can drive.
How do you like having all that power?
It's scary good.
Scary good?
Yeah.
It's scary good.
Scary. Well, because I'm not gonna say no. I know that.
Cut cutting people off. You're gonna be cutting people off.
No, I don't do that.
You're just gonna be rolling coal on everybody.
Well, if you get in the passing lane and you're not passing anyone, yes.
In fact, I do that, so. So this truck has like 5 levels of fastness, basically.
Fast.
Yeah, and you're on the fastest tune right now. The tune with the most ponies. It's got the most ponies right now. There you go. Switch lanes. Good. Perfect.
You're acting like I've never driven before.
You've never driven a big lifted Duramax before.
It's true.
So, even my uncle, who's driven a truck all his life, was having a difficult time driving my Duramax.
Okay, who's doing better, me or your uncle?
I don't know. Kind of tough.
So you don't want to say
At least you haven't scuffed up my tires like my uncle did.
Yeah.
But in his defense, I guess, my truck couldn't really make full turns when he drove it.
Yeah.
Because it was only on a 6-inch lift with 14 wides. But me and Connor called him a noob because when he drove off, you could just hear him go instead of just going because he had to get the feel for the throttle response. But he did it every time he took off. He was the part that kind of makes me a little nervous because some of these turns are kind of tight leading to the gas station.
We're gonna be great.
Yeah, and the gas station's full. Perfect. Semis racing. Snail versus snail. Speedway wins. Scared?
Yeah.
There you go. Perfect. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Uh-oh, there's a truck coming.
What side's your gas tank on?
Your side.
My side?
Yeah, so probably right there is fine. Right there should be fine.
Nope, that's out of order.
That's out of order. Number 2. This one? There's no diesel here?
It says...
Let's just
It's-
guess. It's green pump.
Yeah.
Oh, that one is. Well, if you park here, fine. You can go find a open if you want to drive some more.
I'm not gonna make that turn, am I?
Nope.
What are you doing?
What are we doing here?
What
What is the meaning of this?
just drive in the middle of the road, it's fine.
There you go.
Excellent.
Alright, good
Park
job, babe. Perfect.
Told you I can do it.
Alright guys, that is it. I'm ending the video because I am so stressed out.
Oh my god.
I'm just a little stressed out, but that is it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of her driving. Should I let her drive it more often? Should I let her drive the Project Duramax? Leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. I think she did great.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Peace.